Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the volume of your audio in your videos in CapCut. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to start a new one, click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery one of your videos that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now you can see that I have a sound added under my video, and if I click on it, you can see on the bottom of the screen the third option is volume, and here I can adjust, and you can adjust as well, the volume of that audio. And if you are done, click on the check mark icon on the bottom of the screen and you will be all set. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.